It's your 31 consultant, Julia Cobb, and I wanted to come on and make a video for you. I've been getting a lot of personal messages and text messages today about different things about the 31 opportunity, because you guys have seen my posts about today and tomorrow are the last days that you can join for $1. And I just wanted to answer some of those frequently asked questions that I keep getting a lot. So I thought, why not? I'll just make a video. So there's probably another text. Yay! Okay, so one question I get all the time is, what happens if I sign up for $1 and I don't sell a thing? Nothing. Nothing happens. You don't get yelled at. You don't have to send anybody any money. Nothing. Regardless, if you sign up and not sell a thing, you're going to be added to my team page. You're going to meet some amazing sisters, maybe make some new friends, which is awesome. And that's it. So it really, for $1, it really is kind of, you know, you're not going to lose anything. So why not give it a shot? Another question that I get is, do I get a discount on product? Absolutely. As it used to be in the past, you would get 25% off. Well, we have something that just started in February called 31 Marketplace, and it is actually for consultants only, and it's a way for you to utilize 31 for yourself. You get 40% off. Who doesn't love 31 at 40% off, right? Let's see. How do I earn vacations with 31? Well, I joined in July of 2013, 12, 13. Oh my gosh. I'm about to celebrate 5 years, so you do the math. And in 5 months, I promoted to director with 12 girls on my team. And by that March, I'd earned my first trip for free, for 2. It can totally be done. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, I'm extremely busy, I just don't have time. That's something I hear all the time. I get it. Trust me, I feel more text messages. Yay! I definitely feel where you're coming from. When I started 31, I had a 1-year-old. I worked a full-time job for the government, and my ex-husband John, who we're still great friends, was deployed. So I definitely know what busy is like. But I also saw the value in joining something where I could call it my own. Like I didn't realize I needed it at the time, but I had become friends with Brienne, my 31 mama. She never pushed me into it. That wasn't the topic of all of our conversations at all. We just started a friendship, and I thought to myself, wow, if there are other women like her in this business, why not give it a shot? So I did. And now I will never leave because of the friendships that I have in this sisterhood. And I call it a sisterhood because we are. I mean, I come to tears in thinking about these women who are changing their lives because of one choice that they made, you know? So anyways, fast forward to now. I moved to a brand new city. I have almost been in 5 years. I've earned a trip every year. I'm fixing to earn my 5th one. And I changed jobs. I was a high school counselor. Now I work full-time for the Social Security Administration as a legal assistant. Who would have thought? Crash course through law school. Single mom. I have a 5.5-year-old in school. He's in activities. So I'm still busy, and I'm still able to work my business. And I'll be completely honest with you. One of the questions I get, do I have to do home parties? You know, I love home parties. They're super fun. But honestly, with my schedule, with my work, with the move, I haven't done a home party since November. But I've had over $2,000 in sales almost every month since then. And that's doing Facebook parties and catalog parties. And so what does that mean to you? Well, I give my Facebook script to my girls, and they can use it. They can tweak it. They can find another one that they like. There's tons of Facebook groups out there for 31 consultants. But The tools are right there for you. So if you think you can't do this or you can't get up in front of people, shame on you, because you can. Like, it's given to you on a platter. So I always like to say, you know, if 31's not for you, find something you're passionate about. And that's what you're going to be successful at. Let's see, how much do you make? I personally have averaged $1,000 to $2,000 a month in a paycheck since I began. Some months higher than others. Very rarely do I ever make under $1,000 in a month, and that's working this 6 to 7 hours a week. And it's fun to me, so it's not really work. And 31, in all honesty, sells itself. I don't have to do anything special to sell 31. It sells itself, and every 6 months it changes. What do you start making out as a consultant? 25%. So what I'm offering to my new team members right now is when you join for $1, I send them a welcome packet. It's got a couple catalogs in it, some order forms, some monthly specials, all that good jazz. And I also throw their Facebook launch party for them. And I'm seeing a lot of success for these girls starting out their business strong, doing it this way, which I would be more than happy to do for you too. Favorite part of the job, I would say my girlfriends. You guys see pictures all the time of me out and about doing something 31. These are my best friends, and I get to make money doing it. Are you kidding me? Like, it's amazing. Most of you I've met because of 31. You know, there's almost 1,000 of you on my VIP page because of this business. It's absolutely breathtaking to me. It's my heart. It's my heart. Let's see. Do you have to get the kit? Right now, nope. You do not. You can pay $1, especially if you have a lot of 31 already. You don't need the kit. And a lot of people, if money is an issue, they pay the $1, and then with their first awesome commission check, they buy the kit. You can get the kit anytime if you sign up for $1. You can get it down the road. You don't have to, but you can. There was one other question that I get all the time. Oh, are there monthly sales minimums? No. There's not. To stay active in 31, all you have to do is in a 3-month period, see if I can get my fingers going, in a 3-month period, sell $200. My average party is $600. So I could do one party every 3 months and stay active. Honestly, between my mom, myself, and a couple friends, we were buying $200 worth anyways. But I don't encourage any of you to go out and spend money if you're a consultant. There's no reason to. I give you all the tools and all the training and all the coaching you need to do this part-time, do this from the comfort of your bed. You got an hour of quiet time and you're just doing your whole Facebook 31 thing. But anyways, I just wanted to share some of those frequently asked questions with you. If you have more questions, please ask. Why is now the best time to join 31? Today and tomorrow. Why? You can join for $1. It's no risk. You can join for $1. And I help you throw your lunch party. And if in case you haven't heard, March is double hostess credit month. So let's say you sign up today or tomorrow for $1. I throw your launch party, which would end in March, and whenever you wanted to in March. And let's say you had $1,000 party, okay? Or let's just say $500 party. Let's say you had a $500 party. I don't know if I can do this math in my head. Where's my phone? Let's see. I don't know if I can do this math in my head, but, oh, I can. It's been a while, but I can. Okay. If you have a $500 party, which is an average party, then instead of $90 in, well, yeah, instead of $90 in free credit, you get $180 in free credit. 2 half price, no, 1 half price and 2, I don't know, something like that. Anyway, whatever the hostess rewards are. On top of that, you get paid commission. So if it's a $1,000 party, you get paid $250. If it's a $1,000 party, you also get $400 in free hostess credit. And because of our new Start Swell program, you get another $200 in free stuff. I mean, it's ridiculous the value that you can get for joining for $1. So anyways, I would love to have you on my team, whether you're a hobbyist, whether you want to do it part-time, whether you want to take it full-time and go all the way with it. I've got the experience, I've got the heart, and my girls all know that I am their friend and sister first, and I'm their director second. So I hope you have a blessed evening, and I hope to hear from you. Bye, guys.